Knights are governed by the same principles that apply to other formations. They can move together if they are on adjacent squares, even if they do not mutually support each other. This formation is particularly useful in fighting opposing formations that are densely packed. They can also move together if they mutually support each other. Because an individual knight never moves in any straight direction, a knight's battalion can move in two different kinds of ways. The first is that all the pieces move in exactly the same direction and the same number of spaces. When this happens, all the knights move to new positions. The other is like a marching column, where one knight moves forth, then the next knight moves onto the space it just vacated, and so on. One moves forward, the one behind it moves onto its place. At final tally, only one knight occupies a new square in any given move. Here are a few examples. Only one knight occupies a new position, while the ones behind it simply follow. This demonstrates how knights occupying the position vacated by the knight in front actually move in opposite directions. Here's a demonstration of how knights can maneuver and capture opposing pieces. In each instance, one knight moves forward, the others follow behind. On the board game, one can simply pick up the last knight in line and move it to a square that one of the other knights can move to. This illustrates how only one knight occupies a new square. Remember, these knights are in formation because they are all mutually supportive. These knights are in formation because they are on adjacent squares. These knights are neither of the above and are not in formation at all. Regimental chess, for the brutal intellect.